Told me that time to choose anybody I like in Imo State and make the governor. He gave me the ticket of that Abga. I gave it to Okorocha. Not as Okorocha. I was the person that gave him ticket of Abga in my parlor. Well ahead of those who were. Then he was only the member of Abga.
Yes.
Well ahead of many other people. Other candidates. We managed his election. Managed the election for him to win. Manage. I know what I mean by manage against PDP. For him to win that election. It was arranged election. Is it in Anambra State? We brought somebody, a retiree, somebody who retired from his job as a banker in America. Took ticket, gave to him ahead of all governorship aspirants. He was not a member of Abga. We gave him the ticket and managed to make him win. He won. That the people now in coasting as Igbo leaders. We know how we manage all of them. None of them has ever won any election. They were the elections were rigged. All of them who are priding themselves today as the governors of Southeast. They are all rigged elections. Not a single one of them won one election in Southeast. I challenge them. So, and they know that people don't listen to them. Yes. I was the first person that introduced the sit at home in 2004, August. It was over. The reason that Obasanjo said that when BBC asked him what happened, that shops were closed everywhere, even in Lagos, he said, "Boss, we are doing New Yam Festival." I stopped it because I used it to try my popularity in Igbo land. I started with other programs. But now we can't continue. Even develop more on it. Can any government, all of them, join together, do it at home? Okay, let them take a date and tell people to stay at home. If they think they are popular in Igbo land and people are listening to them, nobody will listen to them. Because they are corrupt.
They are corrupt and they are evil.
Corrupt and evil. Okay, take for instance, how many of them have an audited account of the money they are receiving from Abuja? Allocation. Let them publish the allocation they are receiving and make it known to us. And tell us the ones that are collecting on behalf of local governments, how much they are giving the local governments. They cannot do it because they are corrupt. Look at the ones who call themselves senators. From even the deputy senate president, they were given the contract to rehabilitate Enugu or Fakot Expressway, Enugu Onisha Expressway. They ate the money, used the money to buy houses in Dubai, London, America, France, and everywhere, and private jets. We know all these things. But that are the people who gathered in Enugu yesterday to talk of Igbo leadership, to talk of one Nigeria. How many people have they employed? How many people have you used the money you are collecting from Abuja as allocation to create avenue for employment? Nobody.
And scholarship on the
And scholarship, nothing. They are corrupt people. Ndoshi, thieves. But they come, they talk. So we shall not listen to this type of people. Now, last time I announced your account number. How many of them have paid money?
No, could be 1 night.
They can't. Since I went to the White House and made peace, how many of them have called me to say, Raf, thank you. Not on top of. Look at Okorocha gave ticket to the governor. For 8 years he was governor, he never gave me 1 naira. But last I was saying he gave one Biafra group 500 million. How much did he give that person who gave you tickets? 1 naira. I challenge him. This life, I'm saying it. He didn't call me for 8 years. That time I was living in works. Until I passed over here, it's over 10 years now I passed into this place. He had not been here. This somebody gave a ticket. So, peace must exist among us.
Amen.
And the peace must be real.
Yes.
Not fake. In the night, you go and instigate people to come and fight outside. In the day, you say, no. It must be able. Anything you want me to do for you, I will do for you. All these people, that's why I want Pro-Biafra groups to come together. If Pro-Biafra groups come together, these people will not be in government. We remove all of them. We have a standard Pro-Biafra group. Biafra de facto customary government. Nnamdi Kanu is the only person remaining from coming into that